Our mission at Volunteers in Medicine of Hilton Head Island is to understand and serve the health and wellness needs of the medically underserved and their households who live or work on Hilton Head and Defusky Island. We do this through our Circle of Caring, which Dr. Jack has described as a way of treating our patients as friends and neighbors. The people who come here volunteer, and it's through that volunteer spirit that they're able to bring joy to their work. Our doctors, all of our volunteers, our lay volunteers, our nurses are all here because they want to be to serve their friends and neighbors. That not only allows them to bring joy to their work, but that also allows our friends and neighbors to feel welcome here at our clinic.
My name is Sterling Colvin. I found out about Volunteers in Medicine through some friends in the food and beverage industry. I'm a musician. A lot of times we don't have insurance, and so that's pretty much how I found out about this wonderful place.
My name is Ryan Liner, and my wrist was just completely swollen and just so much pain. I couldn't even move it at all. I had no function, and I needed to get back to work, and nobody could seem to figure it out and give us a reasoning to why this was happening until we came to Volunteers in Medicine.
A couple years after going to the Volunteers in Medicine, I did have a mammogram, and it came up not looking so good. So the Volunteers in Medicine found me a doctor, and we did find out I had breast cancer, which was hard. And I had surgery, and it was tough.
My name is Cora Miller. I've been coming here to the clinic for about 24 to 25 years now, since I moved to the island. And I got ill at work. Our insurance had stopped at my job, and someone suggested that I come here to the clinic. So I did, and I've been coming here ever since with all the different ailments that have come about with my body in these years.
My name is Jonathan Pujol, and I found out about VIM from some friends of mine. At the time I had suffered some financial reverses, and I couldn't afford medical care on my own. And it was all normal until there was at one point when I started having a series of blackouts. So when I sat down, I explained to the doctor what was going on as he was taking blood and things. And he said, well, no, those weren't blackouts, those were near-death experiences. And he did a quick EKG, and the next thing I knew, I was at the emergency room of the hospital, and they replaced a heart valve.
My name is Sitzel Martinez. I found out for Volunteers in Medicine from friends. It's myself and my family. Mostly it was my dad. My dad was treated for sarcoidosis fibrosa. His lungs just couldn't produce oxygen the way anyone else could with good lungs. So we got so much help from the Volunteers in Medicine. It impacted my family and myself so much, because we realized that we shouldn't be afraid of not being able to afford a doctor or anything, because there's always help.
My name's Jan Temples, and I've been coming to the clinic here for 18 to 20 years. For the first many years, there was just the routine care, just a checkup, a flu shot. But in the last 3 years, we have discovered that I have cancer. And so that's been a long road, and to have them to talk to and explain what nobody else is explaining is very important. And you always know you can come over here and talk to somebody, and they will paint you a picture of what's going on.
My father passed away in a great way, where he was at peace and everything, and even to this day we're just so thankful for all Volunteers in Medicine has done for us and my family.
Volunteers in Medicine means that I get a yearly checkup, that I get the x-rays that I need on time, and I would not be able to do that without their help.
This place has given me my life back, and I thank them for it. Please support.
Volunteers in Medicine has proven to be a lifeline for me, and it saved my life.
May we have eyes to see those rendered invisible and excluded, open arms and hearts to reach out and include them, healing hands to touch their lives with love, and in the process, heal ourselves.